Hey everybody, Kevin Hunt, Dragon Dart Racing and Videos. I'm working on a little video right now. It was my little participation in the recently completed Central Illinois streetcar shootout race at Central Illinois Dragway. In middle of videotape and everything, I tried to run my streetcar in the 850 index class, and I was doing pretty good in time runs, but first round I was a little distracted beforehand for reasons I'd rather not get into, and I really took a big nap. But the young man, Mr. Watts, I think, who beat me, he ended up going another round or two. So congratulations to him. And so anyway, I got some GoPro, and then one of my buddies, Mel Duesenberg, sent me a phone video so you can watch me break out. I did get the stripe by about 3 thousandths, but I was ineligible at the start because I had to break out to do that. So enjoy my drive of shame. Hey, I show you everything: win, lose, or draw, the good and the bad, and the ugly. So, hey, thanks for checking in. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out my Facebook page.
weekend for junior dragsters to lane one.